Hello, welcome to Modelworks. I am Rod and I will show you some ongoing scale model builds that we have for the last week of February. For those who are new to Modelworks, we fabricate various scale models from 6 inches to 15 feet, handcrafted from wood or fiberglass materials. So without further ado, let's proceed to the video. As you can see, we have a bunch of KC-10s here with a scale size of 14.5 inches and they are done with the base coats. These aircrafts are now on the paint detailing process where the markings of the plane will be painted by our artists. And next, we have our final scale models. We have a clear canopy Piper PA-24, an RV-8 Vance aircraft, which is also a clear canopy, then a solid canopy aircraft, Lockheed P-38J with loads or missiles, and a Piper Cherokee, another solid canopy. We also have an American West Express, then a Mercedez Benz 560 SL top down 1989 with a bright red color that has a full interior details. Now, let's proceed with our ship model here, a 1:100 scale Gabriela Silang. This is a Philippine Coast Guard ship, also known as OPV 8301, made by Oceana. So we are currently on the final steps, installing the exterior details, like these buildings, railings, the lifeboats, also these propellers. So that's it for our ship model. So let's proceed with our big aircrafts. We have here an F-16, a 45 inches. So this is also made out of wood. We're currently cleaning this one because we are about to sell it. And we also have a Falcon 2000, a clear canopy, 34 inches if I'm not mistaken, and another one here, a 36 inches Gulfstream IV, a solid canopy. And above here we have some large aircrafts made out of wood also. If you are not familiar with Modelworks, we can make any size of aircrafts, scale models that you want, from wood or from fiberglass. We have here an F-18 and it's missing its interior details. We're currently doing that one, and this is roughly 40 inches if I'm not mistaken. So afterwards we will proceed with its repainting. So this is a wooden model. Then we have here the first batch of our red tail squadrons or the P-51D Mustangs. So here they are 18 inches. So probably these are 20 pieces right now, and the next batch is another 20 pieces. These aircrafts are not yet quality controlled. So if you are seeing some imperfections or misaligned, we will work on that. Then let's show you how we put some holes for the base of these aircrafts. But first, let me show you their propellers. Okay, let's get one for you guys to see. So as you can see here, the propeller is a little bit rounded. For me, I've seen different kinds of Mustangs already and it needs to be pointed a little bit more. But of course, these are not yet undergone quality control, so they will check the quality control first. Let's show you how we put the holes for the base. So we are now putting some markings here, and then this is the sample base. We will just mark it and then puncture a little hole for the drill, and we will use a drill bit. I don't know what size this one, but we will drill a hole for the base, and that's how we put a hole for our bases. So let's proceed with our artists here. So we have here a V35 Beach Craft Bonanza, and the artist is removing the masking because it's done with its clear coat or the top coat, and it's ready for shipping. The next one, we have this KC97G, where it is also a clear canopy. So let's check this out. As you can see, this is a clear canopy, a 14 inches if I'm not mistaken. There, can you see it? Can you see the details? Interior, the seats, the panel instruments. It's very small, but it's missing its tail number, so probably it's still under the artist stage. It's not yet done. That's it. That's the KC97G. So as you can see here, the artist is doing a stencil, handcrafted, handmade, custom, just for this aircraft. And afterwards, we will not use it anymore unless there's another order. So next we have the base for the KC97. So this is a custom one because the client wants to have two logos and one picture and an IP. So we are making a custom base, a bigger one, because it doesn't fit the current base that we have. So next we have the RC135 Cobra Ball. So it's the last stage of its base coats. The last one, we have this wheel of the Ford Mustang GT 2017. We're making a rubber mold for this one so that they are all the same. So here the artisan is making sure that there are no holes or air pockets so that it will be easier for them to clean it out or sand it down afterwards. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. So if you are not yet subscribed, you should, because we will be uploading soon the first part of the 24 inches Ford Mustang build with fully functioning doors, hood and trunk, also with engine details. So if you like this video, comment down below, like and share it to your friends or your family, and I will see you on the next one. If you can think it, we can build it. Modelworks Direct.
Looking for the ultimate gift for a pilot, business executive, or aviation enthusiast, but you're frustrated where to look for? Don't worry, Modelworks got your back. We have custom scale models that are great for birthdays, retirements, occasions, or even promotions and trade show events. What? Remember, these are custom made, so it can be a military aircraft from his fleet, her favorite commercial airplane, or his private jet. Dial 1-844-8 models or visit www.modelworksdirect.com for inquiries.